Have you ever thought about how important your joints and bones are for your daily activities? What would happen if you woke up one day and found it harder to move, bend, or even walk? The good news is that protecting your joints and bones doesn't have to be complicated. By making a few simple lifestyle changes, you can preserve your mobility and enjoy a more active life as you age. In this video, we're diving into 5 easy and effective ways to protect your joint and bone health. Ways you can start today to keep feeling strong, flexible, and pain-free for years to come. Let's jump in and explore these simple but impactful strategies. 1. Stay active with joint-friendly exercise. Now, let's talk about the most natural and enjoyable way to keep your joints and bones healthy: regular movement. Our bodies were built to move, and staying active helps keep everything lubricated and functioning smoothly. But did you know that the type of exercise you do can make a huge difference? High-impact exercises like running can cause strain on your joints, especially as you get older. Instead, try low-impact activities that support your bones without causing damage. Walking, swimming, cycling, and yoga are excellent choices for maintaining your flexibility and range of motion. These exercises are gentle on your joints and help you build strength without putting unnecessary stress on them. For example, swimming is a fantastic full-body workout that strengthens muscles while providing zero impact on your joints. Plus, it's fun. But it's not just about flexibility. Strengthening the muscles around your joints is equally important. Using resistance bands, light weights, or even your own body weight can help you strengthen the muscles that support your joints. This makes a huge difference in reducing joint pain and improving mobility. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise each week, and try to break it up into manageable sessions. Whether it's a brisk walk, a swim, or a light yoga session, moving your body regularly will keep your joints happy and healthy. So, grab your sneakers or dive into the pool. It's time to get moving. 2. Maintain a healthy weight. Did you know that carrying extra weight can put a lot of pressure on your joints, especially in areas like the knees, hips, and lower back? As we age, maintaining a healthy weight becomes even more important. For every extra pound you carry, your knees bear 4 pounds of extra pressure. This additional stress on your joints can lead to pain, inflammation, and conditions like arthritis over time. The extra weight can also affect your balance, making you more prone to falls and injuries, which further complicates joint health. The good news is that losing just a small amount of weight can make a huge difference in your joint health. According to the Arthritis Foundation, even a modest weight loss of 5 to 10 pounds can reduce the pressure on your joints significantly, helping you feel better overall. Not only will it decrease joint pain, but it can also reduce the risk of developing joint-related issues as you age. Additionally, a healthy weight promotes better mobility, flexibility, and a decreased risk of other health issues such as heart disease, diabetes, and hypertension. One of the key factors in maintaining or reaching a healthy weight is managing your body mass index, BMI. BMI is a useful tool for assessing whether you're within a healthy weight range for your height. A healthy BMI is typically between 18.5 and 24.9. A BMI above 25 indicates that you are overweight, and above 30, you are considered obese. Keeping your BMI in the healthy range not only supports joint health but also improves your overall well-being, energy levels, and longevity. So, how can you maintain or reach a healthy weight? It all starts with a balanced diet and regular exercise. Focus on eating whole, nutrient-dense foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Pair that with consistent physical activity, whether it's walking, swimming, or strength training. By staying active and watching what you eat, you'll reduce the stress on your joints and improve your overall health. Remember, it's not about being perfect, just making small, sustainable changes that you can stick with. Your joints and your overall health will thank you for it. 3. Eat for strong bones and joints. Now, let's talk about what you put on your plate. Eating a nutrient-rich diet is one of the best ways to support your joint and bone health. The foods you consume provide the building blocks your body needs to maintain strong, healthy bones and joints. One of the most important nutrients to focus on is calcium, which is essential for bone strength. You can find calcium in dairy products like milk, yogurt, and cheese, as well as in leafy greens like kale and spinach. But calcium alone isn't enough. Vitamin D is equally important because it helps your body absorb calcium. Try to get vitamin D from foods like fortified milk or fatty fish like salmon and mackerel, or even from some time spent in the sun. Without enough vitamin D, your body can't fully utilize the calcium you're consuming, and that can weaken your bones. In addition to calcium and vitamin D, anti-inflammatory foods like fatty fish, think salmon, nuts, seeds, and olive oil can also help reduce joint inflammation. Inflammation is a major contributor to joint pain, so including these foods in your diet can keep things running smoothly. Try to incorporate these into your meals as much as possible. It's not about following strict diets or cutting out food groups. Just make sure your meals are filled with nutrient-dense foods that support your bone and joint health. Add in a few servings of these bone-strengthening foods each day, and you'll be well on your way to better joint and bone health. 4. Practice good posture and body mechanics. You might not think about it often, but your posture and how you move throughout the day have a huge impact on your joint health. Poor posture places unnecessary strain on your muscles and joints, especially in areas like the neck, back, and knees. Whether you're sitting at a desk or lifting heavy objects, paying attention to your posture can help protect your joints and reduce discomfort. At work, make sure you're sitting up straight with your feet flat on the floor and your computer monitor at eye level. This will reduce strain on your neck and back. And don't forget to take breaks. Stand up, stretch, and walk around every 30 to 60 minutes. This simple act can relieve tension and keep your joints from becoming stiff. When it comes to lifting, use proper body mechanics. Bend your knees and use your legs to lift, rather than your back. This will protect your lower back and prevent injuries. And when carrying items, keep them close to your body to reduce strain on your wrists, elbows, and shoulders. By practicing good posture and body mechanics, you'll help prevent unnecessary stress on your joints, and your body will thank you for it. Also, don't forget about your feet. Wear shoes that provide good support and avoid high heels, which can strain your knees and lower back. A little attention to your posture goes a long way in protecting your joints. 5. Quit smoking and limit alcohol. Let's talk about two habits that can seriously hurt your joint and bone health: smoking and excessive alcohol consumption. Both habits have been shown to degrade bone quality and increase the risk of fractures. Smoking reduces blood flow to your bones, which impairs the delivery of nutrients needed for bone repair and maintenance. Over time, this can lead to weaker bones and joints, making you more susceptible to injury. Similarly, too much alcohol can interfere with your body's ability to absorb essential nutrients like calcium and vitamin D. This impairs bone health and increases the risk of osteoporosis and other joint issues. While an occasional drink won't cause immediate harm, heavy drinking over time can have a significant negative impact on your joints and bones. If you're trying to protect your bones and joints as you age, quitting smoking and limiting alcohol is a must. Start by cutting back on alcohol to moderate levels, 1 drink per day for women and 2 for men, and work on quitting smoking with the help of a healthcare professional or support groups. These small changes can lead to big improvements in your overall health and quality of life. You don't have to be perfect, just take it one step at a time. Your joints and bones will thank you for it in the long run. And there you have it, 5 simple yet powerful ways to protect your joint and bone health as you age. By staying active, eating the right foods, practicing good posture, and quitting smoking and limiting alcohol, you can keep your body strong, mobile, and pain-free for years to come. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with others who could benefit, and subscribe to the channel for more health tips and advice. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay strong and take care of your body.